It's so hard filming with one hand. I think it's ready. Kind of drinking in a hurry. So I'm thinking of going to the market. For the first time I'll be going to the market here because I really want to try to save more money than just going to the supermarket here on a weekly basis. So I am going to go to the market for the first time and kind of see what it's like and the prices. And yeah, but before I go out, sunscreen. This is a sunscreen that I use, and I bought this from Lidl. And yes, if you're black, you still need sunscreen. Why wouldn't we? Like, I also kind of didn't use sunscreen for a long time, but yeah, we don't have enough phenotypical differences than our brothers and sisters to not use sunscreen. Like, the sun affects us the same way. And when I started using, this is the consistency. Yeah, it's really nice, and it doesn't leave any sort of white residue or something on my skin. But yeah, when I started using sunscreen, I realized an improvement in my skin, like an improvement in the texture of the skin, an improvement, yeah, in the overall look of the skin. And for me, it just felt good knowing that I was doing something to protect my skin before I go out. So what I usually try to do is wash my face first with like a natural soap, and then put the sunscreen on, and then like coconut oil. Or if I don't have coconut oil, then olive oil. And that's basically it. Yeah. So as you can see, it's blending in really well into my skin. Yeah, I don't have a mirror nearby, so I'm just judging by feel. Let's hope it's all blended in. I'm not even gonna check, or maybe I should, but yeah, it blends in really well with the skin, as you can see. And some on my neck would be great as well. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to tell you. Wear sunscreen. Yeah, I'm trying to look like 30 when I'm 50. So sunscreen is like a must, you know. And yeah, but anyways, gonna go get something to eat and then leave. I'm actually late, and here am I like delicately putting on sunscreen while I'm late. But yeah, why rush life, you know? Like, it's not even worth it though. Like, no. But anyways, I think it works because it lets them. Hello? So did you buy groceries already?
Yeah, it's a lot. So I was thinking, if you want, we could take one and divide it.
Okay, yeah.
Because it's a lot of spinach.
It's a lot, yeah. And I'm definitely not gonna eat it all off.
Yeah, and it might just go bad. So.
Yeah.
And it has, yeah. So it's like we could, I think it's enough for the both.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I think this is sweet potatoes. Oh God, I'm the worst representation of Jamaica. I should know this. And is this beetroot? Dear Lord.
It's my holy grail.
Plantain.
To all our Caribbeans out there, this is where you get it.
Right? Exactly.
This is where you get it.
And are these?
I think I'm gonna try this.
Market, just to like
Look.
company, and then I.
Eles são bocadinho grandes, eu não sei.
Vai dar. Olha, este é 78 cêntimos. 78.
Oh, okay. This one.
Yeah.
Wonder two will be one.
Não sei se é vermelho, se é verde.
Dois.
Dois vermelhos? Tá, obrigada. Destes?
Sim,
Meio?
sim.
têm tipo contactos com fazendas ou...
Não, é o mercado abastecedor, que é os produtores que vendem
Sim.
para a zona de Lisboa.
Ah, ok.
What I got some spinach, plantain. Do you like? That's a kilo.
It's like, yeah, it's like 5. And they're chubby, so you could.
Por favor. I'm so cheap, it's crazy. But I would say
and it's
frugal.
also about,
Okay.
it's also about what you're gonna eat, like extra healthy. So do you
I think it's a good amount.
some stuff at home, but sometimes
Oh yeah, you don't need to.
only like how much sweet potato do you
Probably heard my Portuguese and then she switched to English. Like one. Yeah, so just getting some sweet potatoes. This is always a struggle. Yeah, this is
how to open a
Right?
bag one. So I guess if you take like a big one, you will have a lot.
yeah.
You could
probably
even
this.
freeze some of it.
Wow, yeah.
That one is good.
You need help? Yeah. How much is it? This one?
This is 160 a kilo. Okay. You want to know how much is it? 146.
One. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Look at her.
Right? Like, how does she know I don't speak Portuguese?
They call her the market expert.
Right? So it's 1 kilo then, right? Or 1.5. How much is it?
146.
Oh, 146.
Just this potato, yeah.
I think this was a good steal.
Yeah. Look at her. She's happy as hell with her sweet potato.
Right? Really happy. Obrigada.
Obrigada.
So these are some soaps. Really cool.
Oh yeah, I'll definitely.
No, for the soup, I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure. But you studying here?
Yes.
What?
Yes. Design.
Oh,
made with love from Palestine.
Is it good?
It's good. You have some animals that are like statements here. You have this pig. You have this girl that has 2 big, luscious, beautiful dogs.
So I got some fresh strawberries also at the supermarket, and these are the stuff I got from the market as I showed you before. And I just picked up a few more groceries. So I'm just gonna pack these out, but I think yeah, I am just going to pack these out, and basically I think for today that's it. Again, thanks for coming to another video, basically coming with me, going to the market here for the first time and just walking around, I guess. So see you
How it's supposed to feel.